Nearly everyone these days is using a cordless drill to not only drill holes, but drive screws. But the problem is the drills are so powerful and the screws are so aggressive, people are mostly using drywall screws, that's easy to split the wood. So let's say we're attaching this 1x4 to a 2x4, and we're just gonna drive in the screw, right? Let's say we want it right there, nice and flush. Right on the end there, we drive in the screw. Why does that happen? Well, there are two main reasons. First, it's a flathead screw, and if you look at the underside of the screw, it's wedge shaped. So what you're doing is you're driving that wedge into the board, and that's causing the wood grain to expand. And in this case, because you're right at the very end of the board, when it expands, there's no wood on this side, so it splits. So the solution to this problem is pre-drill the board. So just get a drill bit that's slightly smaller than the diameter screw, drill the hole, then drive the screw without any fear of splitting the board. Perfect, every time. And here's an alternative to pre-drilling the board before driving in the screw. Get a combination bit. These are invaluable. I love these bits. And it's essentially 4 bits in one. With a single bit, you can drill a pilot hole, a screw shank clearance hole, which is this shorter section. Then you have a countersink or a counterbore. And this stop is adjustable, so this you can move up and down depending how deep you want to drill. Let me show you how that works. So you drill the hole. So that's a countersink. That will allow the screw head to be perfectly flush. But if you want it below the surface, you keep drilling and you drill what's known as a counterbore. There you go. So then you drive in the screw. There you see the counterbore. The screw is completely sunk below. Now you could leave it like that. If you wanted to cover it, you can get what's called a flush plug, a tapered plug, and just tap that into the hole till it's perfectly flush, sand it a little bit. Or you can hide it with a decorative button. You just glue this right in there and you'll see the button, but that could be kind of decorative. That's a couple of ways to drill a hole, drive in a screw without splitting the board. I'm Joe Cherwini, and we created this channel to help homeowners like you with all your home improvement projects. Please support the channel by liking and subscribing. Thanks a lot.